this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the board view in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select one of the projects that you want to use a board view. It could have an existing one or you want to add one. Let's have this for example. I have a board view as an existing one. Or if you want to add one, simply click right here and click on board or the Kanban view. So what is the Kanban view? From here, you can see all your tasks grouped into separate columns. As you can see, I have the to-do tasks, the in progress, the in review, the blocked, and of course, the completed. We also have a cancel task right here. Basically, what the board view does is to separate all your tasks on which progress it is already on. So for example, this task 5, if I already have it in progress, I can simply drag it right here. And if it's already complete, then I can drag it right here. So you can add project and simply click on the projects or tasks that you want to add on these columns. Then you can even add and customize the colors of these groups. Basically, it would help you to track all the finished tasks and ongoing tasks that you have on that project. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.